Tulsidas ji says, Atulit Baladhamam, who is the abode of boundless strength. Who? Hanumanji. Those who are lacking confidence, they should definitely do Hanumanji's upasana. Lacking confidence anywhere, even if it is on the road that I will be hijacked. One person is not Sundarkand, it is Dr. Sundarkand. So if anybody has any kind of problem, they say chant Sundarkand. Any means any problem. It has the potential of whole Hanumanji pervades in the form of words in Sundarkand. See, one has to do it to know the potential of that. One has to do it really. And let us see the meaning, then you will love more. So see, what is real? You must have heard that, Brahman is real. Or you must have heard, see, death is a reality. Everything passes away. What is real doesn't appeal to us. This is a big problem with us. We say, see, don't be very attached. Some people who are too attached, they feel bad. He said, okay, it is for you, Swamiji, not for me. It's not for me. So what is real is not very captivating. And the problem is, what is captivating is not real. The world is very captivating for us, which is unreal sometimes. What is attractive and beautiful for a Jeev is not real. And what is real doesn't attract him. What is Satya is not Sundar for him. For him I am using that. And what is Sundar is not Satya. Dekh rahe ho aap? Otherwise, why the person will strive? He sees that things are changing. Why he will get attached to? But he gets attached to something which is not real. Sensual pleasures give him some joy, which are not real. Meditation, which is real, doesn't give him joy. Jap, which is real, that doesn't give him joy. Puja part, which is real, it doesn't give him joy. Guru Bhakti, which is real, doesn't give him joy. चलो भाई सुंदरकांड का पाठ करते हैं. अरे बोले छोड़िए कहाँ पाठ. That which is real doesn't give us joy. That which gives us joy is not real. Who will connect that what is Satya should be Sundar, what is Sundar that should be Satya? In between we required Shivji. Shivji is the one which makes the reality beautiful. Did you get it? Shivji is the one who makes the reality captivating and attractive. And that alone is attractive, which is beautiful and which is truth. And this is the role of Hanumanji here. Because Hanumanji was Shiva and Shiva avatar. Oh, this is the problem. Yes. Why? We are attracted to so many things. Relations we are attracted to, which are not real. God we are not attracted to, which is real. Popularity, money, power, position. A lot of attraction is there. They give whole life to one thing which is not real. What is appearing as so sundar for us is not Satya. It is not at all the truth. And what we think is the truth, the Brahman. Saints are saying, scriptures are saying, Ramji is saying, Ramayana, Bhagavad, all are saying. What? Krishna is only reality, Ramji is only reality. But mind doesn't go there. One who bridges the gap between these two, that what is truth, that should alone appear as beautiful. He is the Guru. He is Hanumanji here. That Hanumanji really brings out the meaning of Sundarta in this Sundarkand. And he finds out Sita ji from Ashok Vatika. He finds out the Shanti, Bhakti from this world of delusion and unites Ram and Sita. Therefore, this is the most beautiful thing that can happen in seeker's life. that our self is united with our bhakti and peace. Guru is the one who takes the God's message and gives it to the peace there, and takes the Sita Ji's message and gives to Ramji there. Guru is the one who takes the Lord's message for the disciple, takes the disciple's pain to the Lord. And there he introduces an anxiety in the Lord's heart that you go and meet that and be one that. Take that Sita out of the clutches of Ravan so that Sita can smile also. This is what is the beauty of this in short. Sundare Sundara Rama, Sundare Sundari Sita, Sundare Sundari Katha, Sundare Kimna Sundaram. What is not beautiful there?